So this is Inspiron 153501, a budget laptop from Dell. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing this laptop. So let's start with the things you'll be getting if you're gonna be purchasing this laptop. You'll get the laptop itself and a power brick and a power cord. So that is it. You can't expect any extra accessories from Dell. So now let's start with the design. So I like the way this laptop looks and feels. You can expect this laptop to be super thin and light around this price, but it is not too heavy. It is a full-sized 15.6-inch laptop with a strong build and sturdy hinge. I have white colored version of this laptop. Of course you can choose different color if you want. Now let's talk about the connection ports. Now talking about the ports, on the right side you'll be getting a USB Type A port, a full-size SD card slot alongside a Kingston lock. While on the other side you'll be getting a headphone jack, two USB Type A ports, a gigabit Ethernet port, a full-size HDMI port, a USB Type-C port, and also a charging port. So you will not feel any lack of ports kind of situation while working on this laptop. So this laptop has 15.6 inches Full HD IPS LCD display. It has average brightness of 200 nits. It is not a high-end display, but it gets the normal job done. So one thing I like about this display though is that it has anti-reflection coating, which is nice if you're working outdoors because it doesn't show any significant reflections while working on this laptop. So on top it has an average 720p webcam and a microphone, which is pretty good for video calls and Zoom meetings. So the keyboard and the trackpad on this laptop is really good. Again, it is not a premium quality, but it is really good. It has full-sized keyboard with a dedicated number pad. So it has some extra features like a dedicated calculator button and some system settings control on the function row. Now talking about the trackpad, it has a fairly large trackpad. It supports Windows gestures like two-finger scroll, switching between windows and workspaces, and application overview. By default, this laptop comes with Windows 10 Home, but you can also upgrade to Windows 11 if you want. This laptop gets optimized automatically on Windows updates, so updating Windows once in a while is recommended. Now, this laptop comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 gigs of NVMe storage. You can go for base model and upgrade the memory and storage later by yourself, which I typically like to do, because upgradability is the key factor of this laptop. Talking about CPU and graphics, this laptop comes with Intel Core i5 11th Gen processor and NVIDIA MX350 graphics. You'll not feel any type of lagging while using this laptop in normal workload conditions like browsing the web, writing documents, or even light video editing. But this laptop is not meant for video editing or even gaming. But if you're a student, you're looking for a laptop, then this laptop is the way to go. Here are the CPU and GPU benchmarks of this laptop. You'll get everything you expected from this laptop around this price. So I will not hesitate recommending this laptop to anyone. So here are my thoughts on this laptop. Should you get this laptop on this price range? Of course you should, only if you are not hesitated to spend a little bit more on this laptop. Because you see, you can get other laptops like Lenovo, Acer, or HP a little bit cheaper than this laptop with the same memory, CPU, and other specs. But some laptops are not upgradable. So it is really up to you whether you want to go for a little bit cheaper laptop with the same specs or a laptop that is more reliable and upgradable for which you might need to pay a little bit extra. So let me know what you guys think. I would really like to hear your thoughts in the comments. So that is it for me in this video. So be sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.